Hello there Year 7, Miss Smedley here, and I am going to be talking you through your PSCHE work for half term 6. It is on careers and different jobs that are available. So whilst watching the video, be prepared to pause it so that you can read the information or do some work. There are a few other things that I would like you to do, so just pause and read the instructions whilst watching the video. So for some of the tasks you will need to log on to Unifrog. So if you have not logged on at school, you will not have an account yet. Okay, so that will be being sorted out when you are back at school. However, if you do not have an account or have access to Unifrog, then you will need to research the jobs and careers on Google instead. Okay, so thinking about jobs, I would like you to choose a job on the left-hand side. Choose a job on the left-hand side. So shop assistant, fast food worker like at Mackey's or something, teacher, care worker, mechanic, lawyer, bricklayer. Choose one of them jobs, and then I want you to think, what skills or qualities can you offer in that job role? So for instance, I worked at McDonald's for 4 years, so what skills would I need to work at McDonald's? I could offer communication skills, I could offer teamwork skills. Once you've thought about the skills that you can offer, I then want you to rank those skills in order of most important for that role. So out of the two that I've just given as an example, we've got communication and teamwork. So I think communication is the most important one out of those two, because you need to communicate to be able to work effectively as a team. And there I have also just justified why I placed that skill in that order. So I've explained it a little bit further. Now it's time to sign into Unifrog. Remember, if you haven't got a Unifrog account, please use Google or have a look on some university websites. So sign in and go to the subjects library. So this is the purple box here. And then I want you to pick a subject. So it can be your favourite subject, the subject that you feel like you're best at, or something that you really enjoy. Okay, so choose your subject. Press go, and then scroll through and take a look at the different courses on offer to do with your subject. And then I would like you to watch the little video. Okay, so once you've done that, I'd like you to answer these following questions. Okay, so here I would like you to pause. There are the questions on the left, and if you've got time, why not read the guide? Okay, because this will give you a little bit more information, a bit more detailed information about the course on offer. So pause and answer your questions. Okay, so this time we are still on Unifrog, but we're going to be looking at different careers and jobs. So if we go to the yellow mustard colour box, Careers Library, again, pick a subject that you like, that might be your favourite, and then it's going to bring up all the different jobs associated with that subject. So I want you to take a look at them, scroll through, find one that interests you, and then read the guide. Again, once you've done that, there are some questions here on the left, and I would like you to pause this slide and answer those questions on the career that you have chosen. So once you have done that, you should have looked at different courses and you should have looked at different careers. Okay, now I want you to do a little bit of a presentation and choose between the following. So you can either pick to do your presentation on the course that you found or on the career that you have found. Okay, and then in that presentation, whether it's a poster, a PowerPoint, however you want to display it, you need to answer these questions, or at least include the information. Okay, So if you want to pause here, have a look at those questions, spend about 10 minutes, 20 minutes perfecting, answering those questions and creating a presentation. Now it's time to reflect on what you've learned, okay? So, as you can see here, these are the different things that we would have been learning in this half term at school, okay? So to gain knowledge of what a CV is and skills, you will need to get a job. So I want you in particular to look at the skills here, okay? So have you been made aware, or do you now know what different skills you might need? How to search for a course on Unifrog, how to search for different careers, how to search for a course, how to search for different careers, how to develop your speaking and listening skills and presenting your findings, and personal reflection point, which is this part right now. So what do you do well concerning this topic? So what have you really enjoyed, or what do you think you have developed? What steps can you take to improve your character and personal development? So if we think about the ATL descriptors at school, we've got, let me read them off the wall: reflective, resilient, self-motivated, willing to learn, and determined. So have these lessons enabled you to develop any of those ATL character traits? So how is this module, how are these lessons going to help you to become a better person? And how is this going to help you in your life after Garibaldi School? Okay, so I want you to answer those questions and just reflect on how this particular lesson, how personal development is going to help you in your future. Okay, so that is all. Thank you very much, Year 7, and I hope you enjoy exploring Unifrog. If you do have any issues with Unifrog, please email myself or Miss Bleasdale and we will try our best to help you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.